Hello there. This time we're going to show you how to export and import CPS clicker files, quizzes. The first thing you want to do, if you're exporting, we'll start with exporting and then show you the whole process from there. In your CPS program, if there's a particular quiz, like let's say I'm sharing this phonics one with a coworker, if I want to share this phonics one, as long as you can click it and see it like this, and use in the Prepare tab, by the way, in Lessons and Assessments, there's an export button. So I hit export. I tell it where I want it to go, and the desktop is where I'm going to put it for right now. It automatically comes up named what you named it, or you can name it something else if you like. It doesn't matter. As soon as that's ready, you hit save. It doesn't matter if we say yes or no here because we don't have these standards they're talking about in our database anyway, so I'm just going to say no. And that should do it. So there it is. It looks like that because Windows does not recognize what a CXM file is. You may not even see these file extensions. I have mine set to show those things, but you probably don't, so you'll just see the name. Now, just to illustrate a point, I'm going to delete this. You would leave it there. Now that you have exported that, you can attach this to email, send it to someone, send it to anyone, put it on the Z Drive or Share Portal or wherever to share with people. So that's what I'm going to do now. Let's just pretend I'm sending this to myself. And again, I put it on my desktop, so that's where I'm going to find it. It says all files here. If you don't see the file you're looking for, change that so it says all files. Otherwise it will only show what it says it's going to show. There it is, phonics.cxm. Okay, hit insert, and now I've got the quiz that I'm going to send, and I'll send it to myself right now. Well, hey, there it is. Now I can take this. This is what the other person will do. This exporting, the directions are done now. Now we're going to talk about the importing part. Let's say somebody just sent me this fabulous phonics quiz, and I want to use it in my own clickers. First of all, I'm going to delete it from here so that I don't have it. Okay, I no longer have the phonics quiz, right? Alright. Now my friend, me, myself, and I, sent me this fabulous phonics quiz. I want to add it, so I'm going to say right-click it, save as, put it on your desktop wherever, or you can just click and drag things onto your desktop like that. Yeah, sure, I already have one on my desktop apparently. So yeah, we'll just replace it. So there's my quiz. I have saved it. My friend sent it to me. Now it's on my own desktop or my documents or wherever you're storing these things. So I don't need my email anymore. There's my quiz. Now I just go into CPS and I'm going to import this time. And I have to browse and tell it where to look for this. Now notice I'm looking on the desktop and I don't see it. This is where most people give up. The reason that we're not seeing it though is because it says files of type and it's looking for databases. It's not a database, it's a CXM file. So you can either choose all files or CXM files, whichever. But by doing that, now we see our quiz. So then we just hit open and the quiz will appear. It imported successfully. That's great. And here's that phonics quiz with all of its questions and everything, just as it was sent from the original user. So now you know how to import, you know how to export and send things. If you have any questions, let me know.